Kitty, how's former President Duterte today?
He looks good actually. I was surprised. Contrary to the, ano ba yung mga abog dito? Contrary to the, past few times na I visited na medyo parang emotional ako, he looked good today. Pagdating niya, sabi niya, wow, mas lalo daw akong gumanda. Kasi naka-lipstick ako kanina. Sabi ko kaya, Papa, wag mo ako paiyakin kasi naka-lipstick ako ngayon. He looked good and he has a message for everyone. Try to remember it in verbatim. Sabi niya, he said, nangangamusta ako sa inyong lahat. Daghang salamat sa inyong tanan. Daghang salamat sa loyalty and I hope I will be able to repay it soon. Balang araw daw. And ayun, even sa mga tao, even sa supporters na all over, not just OFW, sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat for your loyalty.